10 tips for planning an affordable wedding. 1. Book during the week. Many locations may offer clients a discount if they book a wedding from Sunday through Thursday. Venues sometimes struggle to fill weeknights because they want to book their entire week, providing you some negotiating power. The other benefit of doing this is that most weddings have fewer guests if the big day falls during the week, which reduces your costs across the board. 2. Choose non-traditional venues. These include locations near lakes, flower gardens, botanical gardens, and other places you might not originally consider getting married. You can frequently still book your wedding at a location even if it isn't listed as a wedding venue. Since they are not frequently used for weddings, these locations frequently cost less. 3. Shop for venues that include equipment. Some locations will include at least some of your equipment, often chairs and tables, in the total price they charge for the location. If you can reserve with a place that offers this service, it's frequently less expensive than purchasing the equipment elsewhere, especially if you anticipate a large audience at your event. 4. Get flowers that are in season. Purchasing flowers out of season is significantly more expensive than doing it throughout the season. Seasonally year-round and very popular for wedding use are roses, tulips, and calla lilies. Consider getting the seeds and growing them beforehand if the flowers you want are going to be out of season when your wedding is taking place in order to save a ton of money. 5. Set your wedding budget beforehand. Knowing your spending limit before you go shopping will help you not only avoid buying more than you need, but also bargain with sellers and persuade them to compete to give you the best deal. You may get an idea of prices and how much you need of each item by conducting a fast search for wedding-related goods on Pinterest. 6. Buy at the end of wedding season. The highest sales occur around the end of the wedding season. Both consumers and boutiques frequently desire to get rid of items they bought for weddings in order to make room for the upcoming season. This is the time to receive significant savings on a wide range of goods, whether you're shopping for a dress or just some supplies. 7. Use a friend as an officiant. Officiants frequently cost more than $200. It is far less expensive to assist a friend in obtaining a license online and have them perform the ceremony if you are not using a church and are considering hiring an officiant. 8. Hire a music student group for your music. DJs and bands for weddings may be pricey. There are frequently students in music programs at a nearby institution who are willing to perform at a wedding for a much reduced fee. Finding a student you can trust to handle your wedding's music arrangements can help you save hundreds, if not thousands, of dollars. 9. Choose beer and wine rather than an open bar. If your venue permits, purchasing beer and wine in quantity off-site and bringing it in will be much less expensive than having an open bar. In addition to being more expensive when served alone, beer and wine are frequently more affordable when purchased in bulk than hard liquor. 10. Pick a smaller venue. A lower guest list is inevitable with a smaller space. As fewer materials are required for fewer guests, practically every aspect of your wedding will be less expensive as a result. Smaller locations can frequently result in a more private and affordable event, even though many people desire large weddings with hundreds of attendees. Please like and subscribe to our channel for life-changing content and hit the like button. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful